This handmade motorcycle features a Jap V8 engine, crafted by Pavel Malinik, a Czechoslovakian toolmaker. It's a recreation of JAP's 4.4-litre V8 aircraft engine, meticulously built by Pavel, who had access to a surviving example in a museum for reference. The Boss Horse V8 is an iconic American motorcycle powered by a massive V8 engine sourced from Chevrolet or General Motors. Despite its size, the Boss Horse V8 handles remarkably well. Its large displacement engine provides unmatched torque, resulting in effortless acceleration and a commanding presence on the road. The Lazarus LM847 is a truly unique motorcycle with massive 4.7-litre Maserati V8 engine capable of producing an astounding 470 horsepower. Unlike traditional motorcycles, the LM847 features 4 wheels, providing enhanced stability and control. Driven by a Lamborghini V12 engine sourced from an Espada, this motorcycle delivers approximately 400 horsepower in its original configuration. Built by Chuck Beck, the motorcycle pairs the V12 engine with a Volkswagen Type 3 transaxle, optimizing it for a top speed of 140 miles per hour. The Milliard motorcycle packs a massive 8-litre V10 engine from a Dodge Viper. The engine alone weighs 712 pounds, or more than the weight of 2 Honda CB 300Rs. In 8-litre form, it makes at least 400 horsepower, but Milliards tuned the thing up to 500 horsepower. The owner, Lucky Kaiser, named the bike after the Rolls-Royce V12 Merlin engine salvaged from a World War II-era Mosquito bomber. The bike boasts a 5-litre Rolls-Royce Merlin engine with a supercharger and NOS. It holds the title for the largest V-twin motorcycle globally, with an estimated top speed of 249 miles per hour. The concept named TMC Du Mans is the brainchild of former Brazilian racer and designer Tarsa Marques. This machine is powered by a 6-cylinder Rolls-Royce Continental aircraft engine from 1960, producing 300 horsepower. Its name pays homage to Brazilian aviation pioneer Alberto Santos Dumont. The Panzer bike is the heaviest motorcycle in the world because it weighs almost 5 tons. This unconventional bike is powered by a massive T-55 turbine engine, typically found in Soviet tanks, providing it with immense power and an unmistakable roar. This engine is a powerful V12, whereas on the other hand, the sidecar is composed from a Russian range missile. The Rotec R 2800, originating from Australia, is a robust 7-cylinder radial engine boasting 110 horsepower. This engine and its larger cousin has become a staple choice for vintage World War I aircraft and reproduction aircraft from the same vintage. Whitlock's creation, dubbed Tinker Toy after a World War II B-17 Flying Fortress bomber, features a custom-built engine block, BMW K100 gearbox, and a car alternator. The Beating Heart is the world's most complex motorcycle engine, a 48-cylinder unit made from 16 Kawasaki KAH 250 engines arranged into 6 banks of 8 cylinders each. The MTTY 2K Superbike, the world's first turbine-powered street-legal motorcycle, holds the title of the most powerful production bike ever made. Initially equipped with a Rolls-Royce Allison gas turbine engine, it earned recognition from Guinness World Records for being the most expensive production motorcycle ever sold.